What is up, guys? My name is Down Below. There's something I've had on my YouTube channel for a long time, and that's my profile picture. Right there. It's an Iron Man costume. But as you may have noticed, there's no videos to do with my Iron Man costume at all, other than Star Wars. Why would I have an Iron Man costume as my profile picture? Because I made one. And that's what oh, here it is. Here it is right here. Look at this. This is just a helmet, though. So I thought, why don't I do a video on how I made this thing and how it works. Haha. So if you're familiar with cosplay at all, and you wonder how these people make their stuff, one way is Pepakura. So, Pepakura is a software where you take a 3D model of something, and then you just print it out on paper. So then you take that paper, and then you gotta cut it out and put it together. This is a test piece that I did. It's got a lot of dust on it because it's just been sitting somewhere. But you can see all those numbers. So you gotta cut basically on all the lines, cut it out, and affix it together somehow with like tape or glue. I was working on a Stormtrooper helmet, but I never got it completed because I think I got my 3D printer then, and then I was 3D printers a lot faster, kind of. You just don't have to do as much. That was part of that too. That's the back. But then if you take the pieces out, you can either use cardboard or foam. Some people use paper, but then you just gotta reinforce it with like Bondo or like fiberglass resin stuff, or you just use cardboard like I did because it's cheap and you can find it anywhere. So once you have all these pieces printed out from Pepakura, you cut them out, and that's definitely like math homework. Piece of paper. You trace them on cardboard. Then you gotta cut that out again. So it gets very repetitive. Just cutting out stuff. There's the hand. I just use boxboard, just like cereal box, because then it's not as thick. So after I had all the pieces connected, this is what it looked like. Just cardboard man. That's what you look like. Just cardboard. There's from the back. It looks like a cardboard suit. Aha! So after you cut out all the pieces, you glue them together, and I like hot glue. Just hot glue them together. Then to make it all like, why did I knock on my hand? To make it strong, like this, I covered everything. 2 coats of PVA glue. Just a white glue, Elmer's glue, whatever. Because that's what a YouTuber said to do. So I just did that. James Burton, X Robots, that dude. Thanks. I watched all your tutorials. Yeah. So there's like all the pieces just covered in probably like 1 coat of glue. Once I did that, 2 coats of that, I did 2 coats of polyurethane. That's like floor sealer stuff just to make wood shine. But it also makes like a really good like armor coating. So 2 coats of that, and yeah, then there's basically, it feels like plastic. And then I just painted it, and so all that took about, I started in June, and I finished October the 30th. That night, I was up every night that week just finishing it. And there it is. Also, I made the lights, just LEDs, batteries, in all the palms, all the 2 palms. You only have 2. The eyes and the arc reactor, which is made. I wonder if I have. Ta-da! That's just copper wire, like plastic. Yeah, that's how you do it. There's the with the lights, more lights from the back. I got this really good red paint. I don't know, it it was really shiny, so it like made it look more like metal. Yeah. So for Halloween that day, I wore it to school. I got like maybe 2 pictures from people, because I can't obviously take pictures because I'm in a suit. Yeah, it was kind of hard to walk in, so I only wore it like for a couple periods, 1 period and lunch. But I won like some candy basket or something. I don't know. It was obviously the best costume that's ever been there. And then like I kind of set the bar, so like other people tried to top me the next years, but nah, no one's coming close to that. I wore it to work that night, but it was like raining, so I couldn't really go out and do stuff in it. Otherwise, it's cardboard, because that would just, I don't know. It might be waterproof though. I don't know how waterproof it was, but I didn't really wear it outside. And then a month later, I took it to, we went to Niagara Falls for a leadership thing, and one of my teachers was talking on something to do with determination or something, because a lot of it took a long time to build it. And so I actually almost missed the bus because I was like fixing it. I was hot gluing everything like an hour before I was supposed to go. No, like 10 minutes before I was supposed to go. And yeah, the buses were leaving, and I was like, no, wait, I got my suit. You can't leave. And yeah, so I almost missed that bus. But we made it there. That's someone just wearing the helmet. Because yeah, a lot of people were just taking pictures that I'd never got to see. But I'm sure they have it on their thrown out phone that they don't use anymore. So that's fun. I took it to a camp that had like a superhero week that week. So that was kind of cool. Like the best use I've probably got out of it. Because that was, they loved it. Yeah, superhero dudes. And then I wore the helmet to Avengers Endgame because Iron Man, he's in that movie. He is, I think. No spoilers. I miss him. Yeah, Deadpool. So that's cool and all, Nathan, but where is this Iron Man suit? Well, you probably think that I have it like on some display thing in my room. No, it's just in a bag. Yeah, it's in a bag. Just collecting dust. Segway. Okay, yeah, so I've been just storing it in my barn for the last 2 years because I haven't worn it. So let's go grab it. Ugh. Okay, this is the life of my costume. It just sits in here and collects dust. Let's throw it down. Okay. Marshmallow. Hey, look at that. There's the 4-wheeler. It's kind of working now. Video to be up soon. Wowee. Okay, what's broken? That still works. It's good. Shoes. Okay, that's broke. I don't know if I have the second hand. I only have one hand. Wow. This poor costume. Aha! 2 hands. We just gotta glue that. Meh. Okay. Time to put it on. Velcro. I didn't have that in the original design. Look at that. Okay. 1, 2. I don't know how this still fits. And yeah, I'll take my shoe off. No, just pull the thingy. Pull it. That's breaking. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that the back just didn't come apart. Ha! You can put on the neck thing next. Yeah. Velcro! Oh, that just broke. Oh no. Hot glue! Half of this build is just made out of hot glue. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Do that.
Kitty cat.
Okay, we're gonna be missing a piece. That's too bad. I'm alive!
As the awkward Nathan emerges from his shell.
So the cool thing, I got these joints everywhere in my legs and stuff. There's like bolts just sticking in my arm. Oh no, the light turned off. Aha, we got one. And two. Oh, it's dim. I have not changed the battery. They want to put my helmet on? Like on me? Don't put it on you. Put it on. Okay, never mind. Oh, let's do that. Ha-ha! Ha-ha!
Nathan, this way.
Huh? I can't see. Oh, there. I can't move. Now let's see how good at armor this is at being armor. Okay, Nerf gun.
We need more ammo!
Wait, that's my open side.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, you're fine that side. You sure it's got batteries?
Yeah, it does.
Alright. One bounce back at me in the head.
Oh yeah, I forgot it could do this. Oh! Ah, fuck that! Stop!
Yeah.
It turns out there's a lot of holes in it. And it's ripping too. But yeah, it works pretty good. What's the biggest dent you got?
Biggest dent?
Are there dents? Is that a dent?
No. There was one down in your foot. You can't really see them.
Shoot like point blank.
No, it's stuck in there. Look at that.
Wow, that's
Wow.
in there.
Wow.
Do another one. Oh, that went through. Oh. Okay, I guess it doesn't work. No. Now we're gonna shoot it with another gun, but I'm not gonna be in it. Okay, behind the scenes, look at this. So that's just like some plastic, see-through plastic, and then I just like hot glued stuff around it. And there's just like coffee. That's all it is. It's a coffee mug cap, and then you print off a piece of paper. This is like this whole thing costs like $20 to make. Nah, it's probably more than that. But yeah, it's just all cardboard, and yeah, just paint. That's how you make costumes, unless you have a 3D printer. New video coming soon, closer to Halloween. Stay tuned. Now I'm gonna see what happens to it when I shoot it with a pellet gun. Let's see the damage. Ho ho! That's not a lot of damage. I don't even see where it hit. This went right through there. Shoot again. Yeah, there's a hole. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the. That's a bit thicker cardboard. Let's shoot the other cardboard. Oh, that did more damage. Like, it's not really attached to the shoe anymore. You shall not pass. Hey. Okay. I think that just went straight through both. We have an exit hole. So it turns out it's not that strong, because it's just cardboard, of course. Duh. Let's shoot it with a bow and arrow. Now that's a lot of damage. And it just, oh jeez, and it went right through. Look at this. Yeah, that's not good. Well, obviously Hawkeye could just take out Iron Man in a flash. If you like that video, guys, please leave a like down below. Comment if I should build another one. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make another one or something like it. Hit that subscribe button. See ya.